There are two different types of buckles. One buckle is like this, where there's no bar on, where after the bar there's nothing on the other side. The buckle that I'm using, as you can see, after the bar there's hardware on the other side as well. Because I'm using this kind, I'm not going to use this because it's not needed. Basically, this loop does what this piece does. So when this goes up and over, that is going to catch the opposite end, okay? So I'm not gonna use this loop, but I'm gonna show you how you can use it. So before you add your hardware, grab your loop and slide it on. You would take this and place it through here and then run this over. Just like that. And the loop would go here, okay? And now you're going to add 2 rivets on either side of that loop. So 1 rivet here and 1 rivet here. And it's going through both pieces of this belt, but not through the loop. So 1 rivet here, 1 rivet here. Now, I'm going to just take this and leave it on my belt to be used somewhere else if I need to hold my the belt in. So I'm going to go ahead and take this off because I'm not using it. I'm going to put on the one that I'm actually using. Run it through. Okay. Okay, and now I'm going to add 2 rivets just without the loop. Place the belt around your waist and find where you would like your belt to have its first hole to, when you wear it. Once you've done that, I like to add 3 to 4 more holes going in either or direction at 1-inch increments. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and get your holes punched out. I have a die for that, but if you don't have a die, you can use a rivet press, a hole puncher. You may have to do more than 1 hole depending on the size of your grommets. With the right side of your belt facing up, insert the top part of your grommet. And this is the side that has the groove. This is what the grommet looks like. This is the top. So we're going to insert it with the top up. And then on the back, you're going to grab that little flat piece. Now you may have to kind of squeeze the material around the part that's coming through. Just use your fingernails or a tool to kind of push down so that you can see a little bit of that coming out, okay? And then you place the flat piece right around it, just like that. And now we're gonna set it. One side of this too has a little piece that pokes out, and the other side is flat. Well, it has a hole in the middle, it's not flat, but the piece that pokes out, that piece is going to be coming up from the bottom. So the pointy piece, put it through the bottom. And squeeze. And that's it. It's set. You're good to go. Go ahead and do the rest. Adding hardware on the tip is certainly optional. I prefer to do it. That's why I like to taper my edge in, because I made a 3/4 of an inch belt. I tapered it into 1/2 inch, and I'm going to add a 1/2 inch strap end to it. If I did a 1 inch belt, I would taper it into 3/4 of an inch hardware. Just gives it a very polished look, but you don't have to do it. You can just use edge coat if you like. All right, and there we have it. Very fast, very easy, great to sell at the markets, and great to give away as a gift. And I have this cute little pattern that I just made that is also a really fast project. I'll be releasing that pattern in the beginning of December. All right, thanks for watching. If you decide to make this belt, I would love for you to give me a tag on social media. I love to see it. All right, see you guys soon. Bye.